I'm Lydia and today I'm going to draw with you a swan. It is very fun and simple to draw. What it looks like at the end is like this. It's realistic here, but it's very fun for kids. I hope you like it. One pencil and about this much color pencils to color with. We need about 4 blues to color with the swan and orange for the beak. Okay, first we have to draw the beak. It's a cone shape. Right? And then from the edge you do a lamppost and make a triangle shape. And you color in this area. To make its mouth. Okay. Now, all we need to do right now is the head. From the edge, you do this. Carve it around like that. And over. Let's do the other one. On the bottom. Now, of course, we do the eyes. The eyes is like this normal eyes, but a bit like a fire. You draw a dot in the middle, don't color it, and color the out bit. Kind of looks like this. So, now we're going to draw the wings. The wings will start from here, draw a big arch and carve it like a wing shape. Okay, draw some wings. And how we draw, we have to connect it. So we have to draw another one to connect this. Okay, when we've done that, we are going to draw the other wing. From its head, this part, draw a dot and another dot. You connect it. So inside there's a big, like a gloomy shape. And from the outside, you connect it with those wings and draw another part. It's quite simple, just the main part is wings. So now we are gonna draw its we're gonna draw its body. So body, you have to do this shape. So this time you can rub it out, and from the water, we just kind of do some line. Next time we can color it. So now we're gonna color it. It's easy. Beak, body. So this is what it looks like in the end. It's a pretty bluish swan. Oh, and you can color the water if you like this. You just need blue, that's all. And you can use a bit aqua. Now we also always need to sign our name by the bottom on the right side of your page. My name is Lydia. I hope you enjoy this video of how to draw a swan. Bye.